In order to graph this system of linear inequalities, we need to graph each of the inequalities of the system. First of all, this one. And to graph an inequality such as that, we start by graphing the bounding line, which we turn the inequality into an equal sign. Now this type of a line is a horizontal line. Y equals a constant like 3 is a horizontal line. So we can graph that line. It's a horizontal line that goes through the y-axis at 1, 2, 3, a height of 3. This will make a dashed line because we're not including the points that are actually on that line. So here's the horizontal line bounding the region of the first linear inequality. Now y bigger than 3, if this is a height where y is equal to 3, when y is bigger than 3 we're talking about points that are above 3, higher than 3. So that's the solution to the first inequality. Notice at the origin here, the point 0, 0, we can see that it's not shaded. If we try to substitute 0, 0, 0 for x, there is no x, but we put in the 0 for y, and we get that 0 bigger than 3, no, 0 is not bigger than 3. So that's the answer to the question about origin being shaded. Origin is not shaded means the other side of the line got shaded, as we saw. But again, y is bigger than 3 means above 3. So that's the first region. Now we need to graph the solution set of the second linear inequality of this system of linear inequalities. So this time we're going to graph the line x equal 1. This type of line is a vertical line. So it's the vertical line that cuts through the x-axis at x equals 1. So here we are at x equals 1. And this vertical line will be a solid line because we're including the points on that line. So there's the vertical line, x equals 1. As to which side of the line to shade, x is smaller than 1, means to the left. So we'll plot the points to the left of that line. We can also see that the origin in this case would be shaded, because if we write the original inequality and substitute x equaling 0, y, we don't care. There is no y in the equation because y doesn't matter. It's only x that matters. And indeed, x is less than 1. So the origin side of this line got shaded here. As we saw, because x is less than 1. Here x is equal to 1. To the left, x is less than 1. The solution to the linear system, then, is the overlap of these two regions. So that consists of this part of this vertical line, all the way down to, but not including this point, because we're not including the points on this dashed line. And the region consists, the solution set consists of all the points in between here, going on and on. That is the solution set. All the points here form the solution set to our system of linear inequalities.